In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Facebook to WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your browser. In here, go ahead and sign in to your account. Now click on your profile by clicking on your Facebook username, which is above the friends section. Now on your Facebook profile, go ahead and click on the edit profile button, which you'll find beside that. Add to story button. So click on edit profile to be able to edit your profile. Scroll down and you'll be able to find this add button beside customize your intro. Click on the add button beside customize your intro to be able to add your WhatsApp username to your Facebook account. And here, go ahead and click on update your information to be able to link your WhatsApp account to your Facebook account. Scroll down and click on contact and basic info. And here, go ahead and click on add social link. Click on add a social link and search for WhatsApp in this list of social media applications available on this list. Once you find WhatsApp, just go ahead and click on WhatsApp as the social media application to connect your Facebook account to. So in here, you'll need to enter your mobile number which you've used on WhatsApp. Once you're done with this, just go ahead and click on the save button to be able to link your Facebook account to your WhatsApp account. Now, once you head back to your profile and scroll down, you'll be able to find your WhatsApp number under the intro section. And that's how you can simply link your Facebook account to your WhatsApp account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.